Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto s'mores bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, for the crust, you need 1 cup of Carbquik or some kind of flour substitute, a 1/3 cup of whey vanilla protein powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar-free brown sweetener. I'm using the monk fruit golden, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 tablespoons of butter, and you want that cold, and we are going to cube it. And then you need an 7 or 8 ounce bag of sugar-free chocolate chips. I'm using the Russell Stovers. I've never used these before, so I'm excited about it. And then 3.4 ounces of some kind of sugar-free marshmallows. So I am using these that I found at Walmart, the Maxmellow. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to want some kind of square baking dish. Mine's 8 by 8, or you could use 9 by 9, and you want to line that with parchment paper, which I am out of, so I'm just going to spray mine really good with cooking spray. And then let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350. First, we are going to pulse together our Carbquik protein powder, baking powder, and salt in our nutribullet until they are nice and combined. Next, we're going to add our vanilla extract and our cold cubed butter, and we're just going to pulse that until crumbs form for our crust. When your crust is all ready to go, you just put it into your prepared pan and just press it down, and we are going to get that into the oven for 9 to 12 minutes. My crust just came out of the oven, and I did cook mine for the full 12 minutes. So next, I'm just going to open up my bag of sugar-free chocolate chips and pour them all over top of this hot crust. All right, now I'm going to turn my oven to a low broil, and I am going to just put this back in there for about a minute, just so the chocolate chips are all melted. All right, after your chocolate is nice and melted, I just use the back of a spoon and spread it evenly over top of my crust. Now I'm going to add my marshmallows. I'm probably going to cut mine in half so I can cover more of the area, and then we are just going to add that back into the oven under broil for about 1 to 2 minutes until they turn golden brown. Let's get this back in the oven under broil for 1 to 2 minutes. My s'mores bars just came out of the oven, and I did not move my rack up high, so mine was still in the middle rack, so I did have to broil mine on high for about 2.5 minutes. Just keep watching them, and just when they get this golden brown, they're ready. So let's go ahead and put these in the freezer for 30 to 60 minutes before we're going to cut into them. My bars have come out of the freezer, and I just cut them into 9 squares. And they look so yummy. The crust is a little brittle. I think I could have left mine in the freezer a little longer, but I really couldn't wait to taste them. So I cannot wait until Taste Tester comes home. And you want to store these in the refrigerator or in a Ziploc bag in the counter, not the freezer. They do not store in the freezer. And they're only 3 carbs each. All right, I got one here for Taste Tester. And if you pop them in the microwave after you've kept them in the refrigerator for about 10-15 seconds, they are perfect. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.